Then the entire forest is filled with flames. Those who can run flee to save their lives. But not everyone has the courage or knows how to escape now. These hooded parrot chicks are only 1 month old. Their flying wings have developed, but now it is too late. Along with the terrifying flames, there are killer hawks in the air. Their eyes are on those creatures who are coming out of their nests to escape the fire. These chicks have no hope left now. Every year, billions of animals die in forest fires. That's why these chicks' parents have prepared well in advance. They have chosen this termite mound, which is made of wet soil, sand and termite saliva, and it is fireproof. The scorched ground below attracts these parrot chicks and then motivates them to come out. Below, Yaku grass seeds are scattered all around, and this is just right for these young ones to have their first meal with the family. In less than a week, these young ones will leave this home and their parents will remain alone until the next breeding season.